It's the most amazing story in science I've ever seen. So in the 1950s, this graduate student in New York did an experiment, and it turned out to be the only paper she ever published in science. She took two mice, an old one and a young one, and she put them to sleep and tied their skin together. So after a couple days, the blood supplies joined, and then 3 weeks later, she looked, and there were new neurons growing in the brain, the heart was stronger, the muscles were larger, and she claimed she reversed aging. People actually thought she was crazy and called her the Dracula, the vampire, and all those crazy names. Well, just this last year, independently, a lab at Stanford, University of California, San Francisco, and Harvard repeated it, and it worked. And what they showed is there are proteins in the young blood that activate stem cells that get quiescent in you and I. So at age 25, they kind of go to sleep. And then once you turn them back on, the cure for many diseases is within us. So there's a clinical trial now to accelerate bone healing in people with fractures with these proteins. There's a trial now in neurocognitive decline. We're doing it in cancer. Right? Cancer in kids is curable almost 90% of the time. Once you turn 25, that same cancer is incurable. So if I can convince the body it's young, maybe I can have more of an impact on cancer.